Welcome to a new video on my robotic arm and pneumatic hand of fischertechnik. Programmed via laptop using Python. Two interfaces, robo interfaces right there, because one interface proved not to be enough even with extension, the red thing here. It makes programming a little bit complicated, but that's okay. Pneumatic compressor for the fingers, and on the second interface you can find the connections to the sensors on the hand. Last time I found that the hand doesn't, or at least the fingers don't respond too well or at all, so I have to find the solution to that. Another problem is that whenever I move this hand here, that the sensor is pushed in nicely, but here that doesn't happen. So the hand is the first focus and the sensor is the second focus. So let's see and find out. One of the things that I have to check first before trying to improve the response of the hand is seeing about the fingers. This is almost full width, but you can see here the piston not fully extended. So the reason is that this wire is too tight. This one is good. This one is not optimal. This one is very good. And this one hardly comes out. So in here the wires go. And I have to try to pull them out. Or, pull them, get them in a nice position that the fingers can actually extend fully. And the problem is, of course, the weight of everything. So let me try that. Alright, I lifted the cables, so let's run the program. And this is for a software update. So let me go here, Python, and that's it. Right. Something isn't working. The compression isn't working at all, which is right here. And where is the wiring? That is good. So let's try again, because this motor right here has to work. Once again, and it doesn't do a thing. Okay, that means that I have to check more of the wiring. Oh, by the way, I do notice that the complete extension is power off, not now anymore. Let's see for the complete wiring here. That should be alright. Try again. No. And still this motor is not doing anything. I'll have to check. And in occasions like this, it's very handy to have the Diagnostics interface. And then you can see right here that the motor is running, and the problem was that because of an incident earlier, the main gear was blocked. So yeah, it only went a little bit this, a little bit that. Now it works again, so it was not a software problem or a mechanical problem. It was, well, something in between. More like a hardware problem. Anyway, close interface and go again. Then the hand moves and pressure has to build up again. And this is the way the hand is dealt with a little bit of help, but this is what it is about. But no pressure is being built up, I think. I have the idea. Yep, nothing is happening because unfortunately the tube has come loose. So let me fix that on the fly. Right here. Now pressure will build up. At least that's the idea. And you can also see that with movement of the hand the sensors move with it, which is entirely the idea. So let's try the sensors now. Nope. It has to still build up. Or there's something else wrong pneumatically entirely, which I don't hope. But that's also possible. I would have expected something to happen by now. So, okay, let's quit this. Let's test sensors electrically. Slave, I think. So. No, definitely not. Master. Okay, wrong interface probably. Yeah, that's the one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Electrically they're alright. So it's pneumatically not alright. Pneumatically means all wires have to be good for the faults and all pneumatic tubes have to be okay. So I have to check that. Right, and by now I have had to check 6 wires. Well, fix 6 wires. And that will all be due to or as a result of an incident earlier. Anyway, it works mostly. So when I press this sensor here of the middle finger, it works. This doesn't. This one doesn't either. Not really? Yep, it does. No response. So earlier on I wanted to make a little joke about giving me the middle finger, but now there are 3 fingers that do respond. Yep. This one doesn't. Yep. So, reposition the camera a bit to the hand. 4th finger. Yep, clearly. Little finger. Doesn't want to. But apart from the wiring, electrical wiring, there were 2 tubes that I had to redo or reconnect actually. But at least I got the functionality of the pneumatic part back. Remains the finger, and that still is a mystery to me because the construction here and here are the same. Here and here mostly the same, in the sense that I had to construct this different from here, and still the sensor doesn't do it the way I want. And I don't like that. But given the time, I think I'll do that next time. So, for the first time in a long time, I had full checkout. Look at this. Yep, very nice. And if now this finger would do the same, because physically it is more or less capable to it. Ooh. And now it is dislocated. Yep, it is dislocated. Not anymore. But it doesn't extend fully due to the wiring again. Nice test, it works. And with this nice result, I say thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and please leave a comment or suggestion. You can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram. Please show support by either making a donation via PayPal or IBAN or become a patron. And I just realized that I haven't seen the pitch movement of the whole arm for a while. So that is probably due to the stickiness of the motors. But that's for another time. For now, stay safe. Bye.